Hey everyone! Today, we're going to enhance your Power BI matrix visual by adding essential calculated rows using DAX measures specifically for profit and profit margin percentage. 1. Set up the matrix visual. First, ensure your matrix is correctly structured with the data you already have. 1. Verify setup. Check that your matrix has rows, product field, columns, month name field, values, sum of sales, and sum of COGS, cost of goods sold. The matrix now clearly shows your existing sales and cost data broken down by each product and month. 2. Create the profit measure. We need a measure to calculate the profit, which is the difference between sales and COGS. 1. New measure. Create a new measure and name it profit. 2. Define logic. Set the logic to subtract COGS from sales. If your existing measures are sum of sales and sum of COGS, the formula is profit equals sum of sales minus sum of COGS. If using base table columns, the DAX is conceptually similar to profit equals sum of table sales minus sum of table COGS. 3. Add to matrix. Drag the new profit measure into the values area. A new row labeled profit will immediately appear in your matrix. 4. Create the profit margin percent measure. Next, we calculate the profit margin percentage to show the profit efficiency. 1. New measure. Create a second new measure and name it profit margin PCT. 2. Define logic. Use the profit measure you just created and divide it by sales. We use divide to handle potential zero division errors. Profit margin percent equals profit divided by sum of sales. Or set the DAX as profit margin PCT equals divide profit sum of sales 0. 3. Format. Ensure you format the measure as a percentage. 4. Add to matrix. Drag the profit margin PCT measure into the values area. This final calculated row will show the margin percentage for each product and month. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.